Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got a real short, awesome video for you to help take some of the stress out of your life. How to have endless power to those things you need the most. And I'm not talking about having one of these rigs right here. Let me show you. Okay, I could go on and on about why you need to have power to those things that you need the most, but I think that's common sense. This little rig right here, we're not being paid a dime to share this with you. I just want you to be able to live a little bit less stressed out when the power goes off, especially if you're on your computer doing something important and the power goes off, you just lost it all. This little rig right here is awesome. It is a power supply that will last a very long time if the power goes out and your computers do not shut off. There's multiple outlets on the back of this thing, and you can plug in a USB to charge your phones. You can do all that stuff. There's a USB-C plug-in here. It's got all the surge protection on the back. It's not light, it's very heavy. You can plug your router into it and your computers. That's the cool part of this. You don't have to use your data and do that kind of thing. This little rig is awesome. Again, we are not being paid to share this. All right, it's not that big. It probably maybe 14 inches long, 3 inches wide. Pretty much has everything you want for plug-ins for your surge protection, power. I think there's 12 outlets altogether. I mean, you can even do coax on it. You can do your printer through it. You can do a serial printer through it. You can run the whole schmo through this rig right here. You're going to love it, and it will save you a lot of pain and suffering. Mr. Know-It-All out.